Aloha, everybody. What's your name?
Hi.
Maria and
Micah.
And what are we making today?
Pizza.
Pizza, bacon cheeseburger pizza. Everybody likes pizza, but you know what my favorite food is?
It's burgers.
Burgers. So what's better than a 0-carb pizza crust and burgers on the top? I don't know what. So we're gonna make our crust. You may have seen this before. I'm doing a double batch because you know what? We love this pizza. So we have our shredded mozzarella cheese and our butter, and we're gonna go and put that, can you put that in the microwave for maybe like a minute and a half or till it's really melted?
And
okay.
I like soup.
You like soup? Okay, so while he's doing that, you go heat that up. I'm gonna make the sauce for it because we're not using pizza sauce. We're gonna use like a ketchup-y sauce. So this is just pure tomato puree. That's all it is. It's organic tomatoes. It's in a glass jar. Whenever you buy tomato sauce, get it in a glass jar because then you don't have any of the issues that come in with that. So I like a lot of sauce. We're gonna make a lot of sauce here, but this is just tomatoes. It's not sweet. So I'm gonna add a little bit of stevia glycerite.
I like that.
I know. Stevia glycerite is not as strong as regular stevia, and it's not bitter. I love it, love it, love it. And then I'm gonna add some mustard.
Mustard?
Yeah, right? I like mustard too. Maybe some more, okay? And Kai, could you get a spoon and stir that up over there in the corner? I'm gonna dice a few onions. I'm gonna do that, not you, Mike, okay? Yeah. Just to put a few onions on the top when you cook that. I might leave them round. I kind of like the round onion thing. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. And then I already browned hamburger. It's just 1 pound of hamburger with some salt. I used my favorite Redmond sea salt. And I just did that for about 4 minutes on medium high, okay? So that looks great.
I use
and can you check that? Make sure I'm gonna get a hand mixer because I totally forgot to do that.
I use mustard with my ketchup.
You use mustard with your ketchup?
It comes out orange.
Yes, it is kind of orange, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Oh, and then we have diced bacon too. We have our favorite Butcher Box bacon that does not have any sugar. We're family, he can taste it. Doesn't have any sugar in the bacon, which is really rare. I challenge you to find some that does not have sugar in it.
So good.
Well, dude, we gotta save that for the pizza, man. I'll make you some. So we're gonna mix that up. And I also have pork rinds, and the pork rinds I like are this pork panko. I love this brand because they're super nice people, but it's all already ground up, so you don't have to worry about grinding that up.
That's good because.
Oh, that's okay, babe.
It's because it's big.
That's what it's all about. So we're gonna mix this up, and some people with the fathead dough, they use cream cheese. I like butter because less carbohydrates and it makes it sticky, like crispier.
It's gonna like come up there. Oh.
Yeah, it is. You're right. So once this is well mixed, Kai, can you crack an egg in there?
Okay.
And Mikey, you can crack another one. So I'm gonna peel this off. It's a little tricky making this dough, but totally worth it. Yes, crack it right in there. Try not to get the shells. I know they've been cracking eggs for me since you've been real little, haven't you? Perfectamundo.
I have no shells. I've seen no shells.
And then you're gonna mix it up till the eggs are mixed. Kai, can you put a little bit of salt in there?
So I got it.
It's right here. Oh boy. A little bit of salt, and then Micah can put the pork rinds in there when I'm ready. Oh shoot. You thought I was gonna swear? I don't ever swear.
Yeah, you did.
Stop telling everybody. Right here in this bowl next to me.
A little bit more.
We don't need too much. Okay, go for it, Micah. Pour it on in there. Yep. All of it.
I'm good.
So mix, 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 mix. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, one important part of this is getting a very hot pizza stone in the oven. And I forgot to do that, so we're gonna cut and do that. Smiles. All right. So we have the stone in the oven at about 425 degrees. Oh my goodness, this is a mess. And what I do is I make this dough on a piece of parchment paper so I can slide it right on in there. Yeah, this is sticky, sticky mess, but oh my gosh, it's so good. So here, can you throw this in the sink for me, Kai? Clean some of my mise en place.
Yoink!
Yikes, mise en place. I work better when everything's clean. So I'm gonna plop that right on here. Kai, can you throw that in the sink too?
Okay.
And I'm gonna spread this out. Some people use a rolling pin, but I find the rolling pin to just be messier.
Don't mind that.
Don't mind that. So we're gonna make a really big pizza. That stone is huge. It's actually a cast iron type stone. It's not really a stone. I love cast iron everything. You can see like I made my meat in there.
Because the sink is full.
The sink is full. And Daddy likes a really thin, crispy crust, so you really want to spread this baby out. And if it breaks, it's all right. Push it back together with your fingers. It's not a huge deal. And you could have made 2 separate ones, I suppose, but we made one big one.
I'm gonna try the pizza crust.
No.
Oh.
We've got raw egg in there, and it's not really that yummy right now. So, Micah, can you open up the oven? And this is gonna go right under the stone.
Let's cook this baby so
All right, look at this beautiful crust. That's beautiful, beautiful. All right, so now what we're gonna do is put the sauce on. I'm gonna grab a spoon. You wanna do that? Here, you could like pick it up and just like do that, but spread it around real nice. Kai, can you put that in the sink for Mom?
Yeah.
Let me leave a little bit of an edge around the outside, yeah. Oh, this is so delicious. Kai, what are you noshing on?
Gummies.
Gummies? Mm-hmm. Did we make those the other day?
Yeah.
Should people check out your video making those?
Yeah.
2 ingredients plus water, super easy. Now let's grab some cheese. We got some cheddar cheese. It's perfect.
Put it on here.
Like this. Spread it around. Oh wait, not all of it yet. I forgot the beef. We should do the beef first. Here, I'll switch sides with you. So we have our ground beef, and we like a lot of meat on our pizzas, so I'm gonna do like a whole pound on this. And remember, this is a double batch of my crust recipe, the carnivore crust.
And also you can make this for a lot of your kids because it's pretty easy to make.
It is easy to make, right? Yep, put the cheese right on top of that.
But don't give your kids any ideas.
Don't give your kids any idea. Just load it up with cheese. We are from Wisconsin, right? Wisconsin is the cheese state. What's your favorite snack? Cheese curds?
Cheese curds.
Cheese curds. Oh, it's looking beautiful. I'm gonna put some onions right on top of there.
Oh wait, nope. It's moon cheese.
Moon cheese. Cheese. Oh, a trick about cheese, which is really cool. If you have fresh Parmesan cheese and you don't know what to do with that hard rind on the outside, cut it into small little chunks and put it on a piece of parchment paper in the microwave on a plate for about a minute, and it'll puff up like cheese. No lie. And then I'm gonna put some bacon. You wanna help, or should I do it?
You can do it.
I can do it. So put the bacon on the top, because then it's gonna cook. This is raw bacon. It will cook. The oven is 425, and yeah, so we're gonna do quite a bit of bacon. Dad likes bacon, so got the bacon on there.
But I certainly do not like bacon.
You do not like bacon. So Kai, can you open the oven for me, please? I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 10 minutes at 425. All right, our pizza is done. It looks fantastic. And all you're gonna add are a couple pickles. You wanna put some pickles on there? A little bit of acid. A trick to making food taste delicious is having salt, fat, acid, and heat on your recipes. And that's why carnivore recipes are kind of difficult, because acid always comes from a vegetable or a fruit like lemon, lime, vinegar, that type of stuff. So pickles are a great way.
Too?
Kinda, because of the vinegar. But this is our bacon cheeseburger pizza. You must try it out. And let me tell you something. When I make a pizza, if I'm getting all the stuff out, I'm gonna make like 4 or 5 pizzas, and then before I bake it, so I pre-bake the crust, put my toppings on, and then I wrap it and put them in the freezer, so these guys could just put it in the oven when I'm gone, and dinner's ready in an instant, right?
Yeah.
What do you want to say, Micah?
Subscribe and hit that like button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
And check out my video of the chicken wings. And it's good.
It's good, man. So aloha, everybody, or I should say mahalo, right?
Mahalo.